feel like. So, wait. Okay, it is the next day and I have to go back to Target because the other one didn't have the shoes I wanted, but I looked online and this other one by my house does have it. So, and we also have to get stuff for the trip, like, you know, alcohol and stuff. You know. Okay, we're back in the shoe aisle. Should I do a Target haul real quick at Target? Got some alcohol. OJ for Jacer. Rice cake. Chocolate rice cake. Josh wanted these chips. I got flaming hot ruffles. Got some of these for Mike. No one else likes them except him. Got some turkey sausage. And feta. Health. Oh my god, they didn't have it. So now we're gonna go to Nordstrom Rack. Okay, Nordstrom Rack was useless, didn't get anything. But I got the, what's this, the Starbucks Vanilla Nitro Cold Brew Sweet Cream, whatever. And it's actually pretty good. Last time I just had the regular cold brew with sweet cream, I didn't like it at all. But this is good. I also put a Splenda in it though, so you know. Josh got the strawberry acai one. He put it in a mason jar and put a straw in it. Why is your stuff always better? Good morning. I just woke up so I sound like but I'm just packing up like a few final things that I couldn't pack before, like my face sunscreen because I just put it on, so I had to like use it first. But I kind of packed more stuff after I ended filming last night because I was just so tired. I feel like I did pretty good not packing too much, but I feel like it's still gonna be pretty heavy. Okay, we're stopping by at Pete's.
Look at that backlight, holy cow.
Why is this lighting so bad?
How good I look.
Yay.
My beard.
We're gonna get coffee before we pick up Camila. Mike is trying the
oh my god,
cold brew oat latte from Pete's. What's your review, Mike?
That's like 9 out of 10. That's
oh,
really good.
9 out of 10.
I thought he was gonna go 7.
Is it better than the horchata?
I think so.
Hi. It's not like our hard night. Yeah. Only 30 minutes later.
Oh my god, dragon.
We're here. They're calling me a princess because I'm not helping carry the stuff.
On the credit card machine, you're going to insert your card.
Okay. We're here. Room tour. Little bar. Bedroom. Whatever that is. Interesting.
I think Mike's using the bathroom.
Okay. Oh, look at this bathroom. Oh my god. It's so nice. Little mirror. We're here. We're chilling.
No, was it?
Okay, we're gonna go get food. We're gonna go to the House of Blues. Apparently they have a cafe.
Okay.
Are we gonna drink?
I'm about to.
Okay.
With or without.
More than likely.
With or with? Camila's dying because of her contact
Was it painful or just annoying?
being stuck to her eyeball.
The fucking heat dried out my
They're dry,
contacts
they're
and they
really
sucked in my eye.
Meanwhile, you look
have naturally
fabulous.
brown eyes or no?
You guys always stop talking when I turn the camera.
I'm extra.
Oh my god, so cute.
Before 1.5 ounces. Actually, this might be cold.
What if I just soak my croissant in it and just like
Yeah. Just like you're listening to that. That'll work.
Where's mine?
Where's your one?
What?
Oh, right there.
Oh, you're holding yours. I was like, what the
I
hell?
was like, where is yours?
Alright.
Let's
Cheers!
To Vegas out there.
Oh god, I'm scared.
Holy shit, those are cold as fuck already.
Double it up.
Cooler.
Double it up.
like failed or like got drunk.
You really should.
It's like over New Year's, I got it home.
Me and An usually don't get the lemonade or the tea one.
It's the lullaby straight till the morning. Oh, how we keep it going. This love is only moments, girl. And you know I'm carrying the world. And so I lose myself in labor. Time to cry when the day's filled. But when the lights turn low and there's no one here, can I shed a tear? Can you lullaby me?
Okay, we literally went to dinner and something possessed us to get a whole bottle of wine and we were so drunk and we ate so much, and when we came home, or not home, but when we came back to the hotel, we were all so tired, so we all just passed out for a good nap. And now it's like 9:30 I think, so I'm gonna start getting ready for the day club. Wait, no, the nightclub, just kidding, not the day club. Where are we going? Marquee?
This is it. Like, this is what we took right here, right?
We're gonna go to Marquee. We're trying to decide if we should take the rail or the ram, I don't know, the public transport thing, or just Uber, because last time we took the rail, ram, train, whatever it was, and I kind of liked it, but I can't figure it out.
That's it, right?
Oh, so baby, can you love me? I really want that lullaby.
Okay, did my makeup. Now I'm gonna curl my hair. I have to be fast
Oh, you said more eyes. Yeah.
because apparently we're on the guest list, but we have to get there early. This bathroom is so lit. I literally booked this hotel over Caesar's Palace, even though I'm obsessed with Caesar's Palace, because the bathroom is so lit. Like, look at that. Look at it. I'm wearing shorts under my dress, but I'm just in here because I need to curl my hair. So I think I'm gonna do like a time lapse of me curling my hair.
So love my body, lullaby me, love.
Okay, first half is done.
Oh my god.
Now I just have to do the other half. Wait, there's a straight strand. Why?
So baby, can you?
Okay, hair is done. Let me show you what it looks like. And this is my outfit. I have to put heels on, but this is basically it. Should we start the shot? Shot first, shot. Wait, it's not here. Cheers. We're going to the club. I know this lighting is terrible, and it's so hot in this hallway.